services. To start, select the Debtor Payment option from the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Debtor payments require you to enter your Sundry Debtor account number found on your Sundry Debtor notices sent to you by Council. You can use the sample on the right-hand side of the screen to assist you in locating the number on your notice. Once you have located your account number, you can scroll down to the Debtor Number field and enter your number here, and then click Next. On the Debtor Payments Details screen, you will notice your debtor number listed at the top, along with all the charges associated with your account. Please double check your account details here. All invoices associated with your account will be ticked ready for payment. If you are not paying all invoices in this transaction, please use the tick boxes on the left-hand side of the screen to unselect those accounts that you won't be paying today. Once you've selected those invoices that you won't be making payment on today, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and use the Recalculate Total tool to recalculate the total of your transaction today. Then click Next. At the Completing Transaction screen, you can double check your account number, invoice number and the amount paying today. From here you have some options on how you proceed. You can click on the Proceed button to complete this transaction. You can click on the Save Cart button to save this transaction to the cart and return later for payment, or select a different payment type from the left-hand menu. You can return to your debtor account by clicking the link to Debtor Payment and making changes to the invoices that you'll be paying today. Or if you wish to cancel this transaction completely, please use the red cross to remove it. For this example, we're going to click on the Proceed button to complete the transaction. At the Pending Payments screen, you have the opportunity to once again check the account number, invoice number and the amount for your transaction today before clicking on the Continue button to complete your transaction. The Payment Summary page will display the total of your transaction, including the credit card surcharge. Please double check all your transaction details and either click Complete to complete your credit card transaction or Previous to make changes to your transaction. When you've clicked Complete, you'll be taken to an external secure payment portal provided by the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, BPoint. Please complete the fields in the BPoint screens, starting with the cardholder name and clicking Next. Add your card details starting with your credit card number, your expiry date and your CVN number, and then click Next. Please double check all your transaction details, and to pay, click on the Pay button, or if you want to make some changes, click Back. When you've completed your transaction, you will come to the Payment Confirmation screen. From here, you can print your receipt, or if you're on a mobile device, take a screenshot of this receipt for your own records.